Hi, this is Gateford Motor Company. Here we have our Ford Connect short wheelbase Trend. It's a one owner van, full service history. It's fully loaded, which means it's got DAB radio. It's got 3 seats. It's got air conditioning. It's got what else has it got? It's got heated front screen, twin airbags, electric windows and mirrors. It's got front colour coded bumpers, parking sensors and front fog lights. It's got a reversing camera, really tidy in the back. Steel bulkhead, cargo mat. That thing flaps up so you get long lengths in. It's got a charging point in the back as well. Newly ply lined. Great on fuel. Lovely to drive. It's 5 doors, so you get a side loading door. Tie downs. This van comes with a new 12-month MOT, 3-month RAC warranty, 12-month recovery. Finance can be arranged within 2 hours. Part exchange welcome. Good all-round van. Thanks for